Alright, gonna give the 150 a try and Whakalo whātu. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I'm back at Hayden's gym. It's been 2 weeks now. He's the man himself. Whakalo whātu.
Hey, where
you been?
Oh, been busy with work, doing lots of vaccinating, and yeah, that's about it. Just been busy, but back at it again. So just cleaning up the gym.
Sweet. Looks like we're gonna change it up, and what are we training? Chest.
Oh,
Chest as usual.
well, that's always. Might try to do some pull-ups today.
Oh yeah.
So the body's a bit heavy, so.
I was gonna say, looks like you lost some weight.
Nah, I haven't lost any weight. Next time. Next video.
Alright. Alright, we're doing our upper chest incline bench. This is Hayden. He's just warming up on one plate. Pa, lima, ono, pitu, walu, hiva, ufuru. Too easy, too easy. On the flat bench now. Just warming up. Hoping to crack the 150. Hopefully. We'll see. This is 130. See how we go with the 130 before we go to 140. Alright, I'm gonna jam the 130. Okay, a bit It's been about 2 weeks, but I'm going for how much is it? 140. 140 again. See how I go.
Keep going.
I think it was the music, bro.
Hey, I'll change the song and see if I might have to change the song and see how I go.
Beady beady bum bum. Try and see if I can still jam the 140. Hopefully it flies up. That was pretty hard, but got it up. Hayden's gonna have another crack.
Getting into that movement. Have to keep going.
I'll try 150.
Oh yeah.
Oh, unlucky next time. We've got it on camera that you've done it before, so there's proof that he's done it. But now I'm gonna try and jam the 150. Alright, gonna give the 150 a try and man, that was a shock to the body, but all good. Something to aim for. Sharp. That was heavy. Alright, doing something different, going for cardio now after our weights.
Yeah, we were just doing a high volume triceps, and I thought it might be better used to just go for a good walk and sweat it out. So that was about 40 minutes weights. Tried to 20 minutes cardio. Then we'll go back for the smoothie.
Sweet. Really, I think it was the bench press that dampened our spirits. Here we are. What's this? What's this, bro?
This is the St. John's horse track, I think.
Horse track. Yeah.
It's one of those cycle pathways to the city. So another bit of nature in our backyard.
Man, that's a mean view. What is that?
So GI down there.
GI. GI.
Looking as good as ever.
Sharks, yeah, that's the $2 million suburb now.
Yeah, $1 million suburb GI.
Alright, we're back now. We just finished our cardio and Hayden's just sorting out the music.
Hey Siri, play Regulator by Warren G.
Here's Regulate featuring Nate Dogg by Warren G.
That's how we do it. Okay, what have we got, bro?
Alright, so we're going to make another smoothie. We're going to put half a cup of berries, frozen berries in there. Got some pumpkin seeds, just for some good fats in there. Just finished the cardio, it's bloody hot as, man. Some spinach.
Good fiber and it's got good protein, old spinach.
Get those Popeye arms. So I'm going to put some Greek yogurt. Might make us feel a bit more satisfied during the day. Alright, we've got a ripe banana.
With that, bro, is it gonna all fit in the smoothie? Should fit.
And then put 2 scoops of vanilla protein. The rest of the banana in. Some milk.
Yeah, need a lot of protein.
Oh, man.
Because we're getting bigger and getting stronger. Getting bigger and stronger, we need more protein. How many calories? Probably all up, maybe 300 to 400 calories per cup. Just because of all the nuts have a lot of calories in it because of the oil in it, and yogurt and milk have a bit of calories.
Spinach, berries, 1 banana.
But these calories are better than the calories you would get in a Big Mac.
Sweet. Good workout.
Oh man. Not again.
That's good. That's good.
Yeah, I learned the game from William West.
It's quite I think I might need to get a bigger cup or make 2 batches.
All right. That's us. If you enjoyed the video, press a like, comment, or subscribe. So we do this every Saturday. We'll try and hit what 160 by the end of the year.
By the end of the year, 160.
End of the year 160. The heavier you go, the harder it is to increase the weight. But yeah.
This is our Saturday routine, so keeps us fit, well, and body and mind. So we'll try to keep it up. Thanks for the workout.
All right. Okay. Until the next time. Mutulu kia.